What is up guys, welcome to P-ZEE Builds, and today we are not making a PC nor building one, but today I was gonna show you guys how to enable the SVM mode on your MSI motherboard. Why do you need this? It's actually for your virtual machine. For example, right now for me, the reason that I'm doing this is because I'm trying to play Call of Duty on Nox, which is a Android emulator, so I can stomp on some other players on the phone. But the purpose of this video is not because of that. So let's go back to the one I'm talking about, okay? To enable this feature so you can actually activate more cores onto this virtual Android machine, you have to enable SVM so you can actually use more cores. That means your games can run faster on your emulator. Instead of using one core, we can use like 2, 3, 4 and more RAMs, which means faster, so we can stomp onto those phone players. But again, this video is not because of that. So let's get back into this. Okay, let me try to open Nox. What the heck? This one's a rip-off of League of Legends then. League of Angels. What the heck? Loading, loading, loading. See? This is the one I'm talking about. VT is disabled, run, blah blah blah. As you can see, I actually went to my Nox. I went to settings, performance settings. See, look at this. You can only use on low one core. Everything you can only use one core, maximum of 3 gigs of memory. That is not what we want because we cannot stomp those people on the phone if we only have one core. Please enable VT to use more than one CPU. This is what we want. Okay, let's restart our computer. Turning it back on. Spamming delete. Then you should be entering your BIOS anytime soon. Okay, once you're in your BIOS, it might look different, but you should go to your overclocking tab right here in my case. Then go all the way to the bottom. As I said earlier, I'm using a MSI motherboard. Then from here go to CPU features, enter. See, SVM mode, enable right there. Perfect. Save and exit, save changes and reboot. Save configuration and reset. Yep. Restarting again. Let me fast forward this. Let's try to run Nox again. Okay, now that we actually enable the XVM mode on the motherboard, go to your settings, performance settings. Ooh, look at that. See? 4 cores. You can now start to use 4 cores or more. You can actually go custom. Like in my case, I'm actually running a Ryzen 7 3700X, so I have 8 cores, 16 threads, so I can actually pump this up to 6 core, 8000 for the memory, because I actually have 32, so might as well make use of them. And that's it. You can now save the settings and we're good to go. Restart. That's it. So that's pretty much it, guys. We're basically done. You can now start stomping on pop. We can now start playing a faster app on your emulator because of what we just did. So if you learned something new and if you like this kind of content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, click the bell notification if you wanted to, but I'm not trying to force you guys, but yeah, you know what I Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.